Everything around us is made up of molecules. The medicine that treats disease, the material that builds the future, the food that feeds the world. Every one of them started as a molecule. And every important molecule starts the same way, with a question. But turning that question into something real, something manufactured, something that reaches the world, that journey is still broken. The teams doing the science are disconnected from the teams building the process. The teams building the process are disconnected from the teams running the factory. Every handoff a risk, every gap a delay. Scinode is the agentic AI platform built for scientific execution. From concept and molecule development through to commercial scale output. One platform, every step owned, every outcome delivered. Behind Scinode is a living global scientific infrastructure, a network of scientists, CROs, and domain experts, pre-audited facilities across the world, serving customers across the world. Built not just to connect, but to execute. Compounds that stalled in handoffs, reaching manufacturing. Projects that dragged for months, moving in weeks. Ideas that sat in notebooks, becoming products. One platform orchestrating every step from idea to commercial reality.